Hi, my name is Peter, and I will be talking through and demonstrating why we need the Google Calendar integration on our product called BookMeNow. So essentially, BookMeNow is a platform that lets service providers in Africa receive bookings and down payments. Um, One way we see the Google Calendar integration to be a necessity for us is that currently, whenever a client of a service provider using our platform receives a booking, we use service accounts to send them meeting invites. And now a few limitations that service account bring is that the 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 business or the service provider that the meeting is coming on behalf of is unable to start a meeting. So hence our team needs to also join the meeting, or our team needs to start a meeting for the two parties to work. So currently we have disabled the meeting invite itself, but rather right now we're only doing events. But another problem with sending events and having both the client and the service provider together in that event is that um, the sender's name is always the name of the person that owns the service account. In this case, it shows Peter, which is myself, and we've had cases where the service provider's customer or client is confused. Okay, I booked you, but Peter is sending me an invite. What is going on? And some of our service providers have to do explanations and all that. But what we are looking to do is we want to allow our service providers to be able to connect or integrate their own calendars. And now we can use the calendars programmatically to send invite on behalf of the service provider with their name onto their clients and make that process very seamless. So currently, when you come to BookMeNow, you're required to log in. The user flow is very basic. To create an account, we're taking the full name, the email, phone number, and password. And also, after this step, we take the business information. Then we do KYC on this. And now I already have an account, so I'm just going to click sign in and go through. And this is my test account. So now when you come in here, what we've decided to go do is that when you come to business, for example, we want you to be able to go to your availability and decide to connect your Google um, calendar or account. Now, the reason also is because we want you to be able to access your event, and that way we're able to also make sure your clients can only book you at times where you are actually free or available. We don't want a problem where we are maintaining our own bookings and we don't know that, oh, you actually have an event in your calendar that has blocked a slot, but we don't know about that because we don't have access to your calendar. But with this integration, we're able to help the service providers slot management to be more efficient. So currently, when you click connect to Google account, you can choose the account you want to use. I can choose this particular account, and of course, we haven't been verified, so I'm hit with this currently, and I can now click proceed. Now, when you proceed, click continue, then you can now see all the services we are needed. So currently, the only services we want to have access to is allow the users to be able to view the event, allow them to view and edit events on the calendar, allow them to be able to see and download calendars onto like our platform, yeah, and then also see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars. We want to give the user the ability to be able to edit their calendar information right from the integration that happens, and of course associate their personal accounts to their BookMeNow account. That way, users will be able to log in with their Google account instead of using email and password. So yes, so click done and we click continue, and if that integration is successful, as when we are approved, then we would be able to have access to the person's calendar and be able to help them send invite to their client whenever new bookings happen. Yes, so that's pretty much what we need the Google Calendar integration for. This will really make things easy and streamline for our service providers, and yeah, make their life easy, and that's all we're about. Thank you very much.